Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix iMemory usage within Google Chrome. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, so if I right click on my Windows icon here and I go to Task Manager, right, you can see that my Google Chrome is literally taking up a lot of my memory usage, quite a lot there. And I'm going to show you basically what's doing it and how you can go about fixing that. Now, in my case, I have a lot going on right now and a lot of things I have open because I'm currently working in order to generate ideas to create multiple video tutorials for you guys. So that explains why. If you look here, guys, I have quite a lot of pages open up right now, right? And also, if you go in the top right hand side here of your Chrome, go to these three dots here, and then you come all the way down to more tools. You also have a task manager for Google Chrome. How cool is that? Now, if you click on this task manager, you can see all the different tasks that are currently running within Google Chrome, right? And these are extensions and so much more. So what you want to do, guys, for all of those extensions that you're not using at the moment, you want to go ahead and you want to end those tasks, because a lot of these extensions are literally taking up a lot of your memory, right? So what you want to do, for example, this one, I'm not really using it. So let's say extensions that you use like once per week, twice per week, or every now and then you will use these extensions. You don't really have to have them enabled. Only when you're facing those situations where you need them, then you can enable them. I would say that's the best practice. Now, for example, this Capture Solver, I recently made a video about that. And what I'm going to do is just simply disable it now, because at the moment I'm not really using it. So I'm going to just simply click on it and I'm going to click End Task. And that one is done. And I just want to basically go through the list to see if I find any more that I don't really use, and I can go ahead and I can close those. You want to take the time to go through these and you want to simply end those tasks. Now, once you do that, guys, you can come back and you can easily check again your task manager just to see how the performance is. Now, in my case, you won't see a whole lot of difference because I don't want to close a whole lot. But once you go ahead and do that, you should see a whole lot of reducing with your memory usage. Now, the next thing that you can also do, go ahead and click the reset button here, and you can go to extensions and you can go to manage extensions, and you can just simply turn off all of those extensions that you don't really use, right? You want to go ahead and do that. Now, the next thing that you want to do, if you're still having issues with your Google Chrome, then all you have to do is just simply go here, go to settings, and on the left hand side, you want to simply go to reset, and you want to come here and click reset settings to their original defaults. Go ahead and do that and click reset settings. Then you want to go ahead and reopen Chrome. It might require you to restart your computer, but once you do that, check that task manager again, check the memory usage of your Google Chrome. This in fact should really fix the issue for you. Now, guys, I really hope that you found some value and some insight on how to fix this issue. Go ahead and try it. And if you found some value in this video, I would appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up so that I can know that you enjoy content like this. And if you're new to the channel and you're not yet subscribed, go ahead, hit the subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release the next video just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.